Bururi wa Kenya riu wina arwaru 320 a murimu wa COVID-19. Ithabu riri riambatirite na arwaru 17, namba ya aria makuite ikirugamira andu 18, no ithabu riri ria ihoru rirahorohio ni namba ya aria marikitie kuhona.
We are glad to inform you that 6 patients have recovered and have been discharged, and therefore we now have 89 as the number of recoveries in the country.
No njira iria murimu uyu uratherema naguo matura-ini, thirikari yugite ati niguo uracora mbica ya ugwati uria ukondoreire bururi makiria icagi-ini, andu mathie na mbere na kuringa itheru. Nja wa Nairobi, Mombasa niyo etongoretie na arwaru 79, na iguru ria uguo gatagati-ini ka arwaru 17 a ica ikuhi, 12 ni a kaunti ino. Gitumi giki nikio Gavana Hassan Joho arugamitie akira thirikari ecirie kwamba kurugamia mihango yothe Mombasa.
You know, when you ask for a lockdown, there are so many simulations that are brought to you. People talk about economic challenges, people paying mortgages, people paying these loans. My question is, wewe unataka kulipa loan ama ukufe?
The evidence that is coming in from our testing shows us that indeed local transmission has been established, and therefore the measures that we keep on reiterating on need to be followed.
Mihango-ini ya kung'ethanira na murimu uyu, thirikari riu ihundukire ataramu na athunduria guku bururi-ini aria irite ati utaramu wao makiria wa kuhuthiria a Kenya gitangiko gia gwethana na matharaita maria mendekithitio ma kuhurana na murimu uyu ugukorwo ri wa goro.
Today, we are celebrating our local innovators who have put all these different devices in place to ensure that our containment measures are actually useful in flattening this curve.
Akenya ingi makoretwo makihoka sanitizer bara-ini ino, undu uria utumite thogora wayo wambatire, undu andu aingi matangihota kwigurira, no thirikari yugite ati mai na thabuni ni maiganu, bata ni mundu ethambe uria kwagiriire na maita maingi ta uria kwahotekeka. Na thutha wa thirikari kuona a Kenya makirora ceceni cia kuiga andu keheri-ini tari iherithia, riu irite a Kenya ati thengia ya gutaukirwo wega, ihoru riria ceceni ici ciratiga hari mundu ucigereire gutwara mundu keheri-ini, no rimwe ria makinya maria maritu no magirire gutacukio kugitira a Kenya. Iguru ria uguo, thirikari irite a Kenya ati kunyitwo ni murimu uyu ti kirumi.
We want to make it clear today that contracting coronavirus is not a crime. All of us have a potential risk of contracting the disease. We therefore must urge you, fellow Kenyans, to join us in ensuring that we do not stigmatize those who are sent to quarantine facilities and even those who have recovered from this disease.
Don't be on your own. It's not a shame to be COVID-19 positive. It's not a shame. You can be treated, you can be looked after, and eventually go back to your home and live your normal life.
Mugwatanio uria uri kuo gatagati-ini ka a Kenya makiria aria matari na rugano rwa kumagara nja wa itoka cia bururi uyu, thirikari yugite ati nikuo kwagiriire kwarahura andu aria makomete na aria makoretwo makiuga ati uyu ni murimu wa either andu ana kana icigo na. Ngiribotera Inooro TV, njĩtagwo Waweru wa Nyambura.